What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off bringing devices together on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. One of the new features introduced in iOS 17 is bringing devices together, also known as name drop. This feature allows you to share your contact information with another iPhone user by simply bringing your devices closer to each other. Although this can be a convenient way to exchange contact details, this feature is not ideal for every user, as it can also pose some privacy and security risks. For example, you may accidentally trigger the feature in public places and share your personal information with strangers. To turn off bringing devices together on your iPhone, begin by opening up your Settings app. Scroll down a bit and tap on General. From here, tap on AirDrop and toggle bringing devices together off. This will disable name drop on your iOS device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.